What is up, guys? We are back in another video. Today we are going to be fishing. So get your popcorn, get your drink, because this is not going to be like the longest, but it's going to be decently long. It's going to be a really peaceful one. We're going to try our best not to get excited and yell.
Yeah, I will try to, but if I get like the weird fish, I probably would.
Yeah, just try your best
Take
not
a
to
while.
yell.
Oh,
So make sure you get your popcorn, get your snacks, guys.
Well, when you said try not to yell, you really yelled.
Barely.
I want to get the fishing radar. Want to get the fishing radar?
Why the heck does it say that you're fishing right here?
What is this giant fish?
It's a tuna.
Guys, I won't have to question 9 more different
Here, dude, I want to show you how big of a diamond fish I got once.
Is it really big?
I got the max. Or no, not the max. I didn't even say the max.
I'm using the beetle.
I had a bigger one, I thought. It was just as big as the tuna.
I don't have
Oh, I'm hooked.
For me, it's glitched out, Jace. For me, you're holding an RPG and a fishing rod at the same time.
No, weird fish. Ooh.
Hey, can I have it? I haven't,
No.
I haven't, oh, I'm hooked. Let's go.
Okay, I need 1.
Also, guys, in a little bit, you should check out some of my videos, my shorts. I need you guys to
I need
vote on which
7 more.
VR profile picture I should take.
I got 100 stars now. 50 stars. That would cost me $3,000.
I'm gonna need this wallet. Wallet.
Dude, wallet is the worst bait.
I'm just trying it. Seeing what it'll give me from here.
It'll give you one of the, all you catch with it is basically just bluegills. All you catch are just bluegills and moneyfish.
I can't catch anything, guys.
Be patient. That's what fishing's all about.
I'm trying to put on space. It will not let me switch.
Shell, magma balls, and starfish are all the best bait. I'm gonna sit down.
Again. He said he wanted this guy, right?
Yeah.
He wanted this guy. Take him. Oh yeah, I'm glad I got scared. Oh, I got mascot.
Hey, look, I'm number 2 on the leaderboard, the cursed cuber fish.
I got the starfish.
Yeah, I'm number 1. Number 1.
Peaceful.
Yay. Oh, 2.
People might be trying to watch this to go to sleep.
I got one.
I don't know why you do
Imagine
that.
we just sit here and just look it up at the rain.
Ooh, I got a diamond
Oh, you guys
custard.
got square fish.
No,
Okay,
it's not rare. That's not a diamond fish. It's a.
I never
it's a
got this though.
cursed-
I never got this.
Yeah, it's a cursed cube fish.
I never got this fish.
Nice.
Sorry.
That is a diamond J. Oh, not even.
Ah.
That is a cursed. That is a cube. That's a cursed cube fish. That is so cool. That's cool.
Dude, I keep going. Oh, my grapple disconnected.
That is so cool. Wing.
Hi.
Wow.
Oh, I forgot to fish my.
Eat it.
So I was teaching this new player
What is
yesterday.
it? Oh, this is a new fish I haven't caught.
Yeah, it gives you like 2K.
Wait, I forgot the name of this fish.
Seahorse.
I think
Yeah.
It gives you 2K fish bones.
that dragonfish. Cool. That's cool.
Yeah, I was teaching this new player yesterday, and on his first ever fishing trip, know what he caught?
What?
A dragonfish.
Oh, nice. I need 6 more fish until I have every fish in the game.
Dang.
I'm still in the lead.
Dude, stop yelling.
Dude, this is supposed to be a relaxing moment.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh, go ahead.
Ooh, movement levels are off the charts. This might be a good fish.
Yeah, I should have enough bait.
Of course, it's another 15. Oh wait, no, this is different.
Yeah, it's more round.
How about you above me? It's fine. I'm not. I'm just gonna stop using bait. It takes up too much time if I'm being completely honest. Why the heck is my headset battery low, bro? I'm
Dude,
just
this one-
chilling and it's
Dude,
charging.
this one is just not even good. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna eat you. Starfish. I have 5 starfish.
I know I have
still
over
in the
100 starfish.
I got 37.89% chance of the seahorse. You like fishing? The Vinyl. You're in 3rd.
Okay, I don't
Me?
care.
Oh my god.
I'm just having I have over 100 starfish and I have 676 shell.
Wow.
Yeah, dude, I may or may not mass buy every single bait that I like.
Oh, got one.
Yeah, this one's getting me a bit of
Bro, I waited that
Oh, I
long
got
to
this
get that
guy.
fish.
Dude, I like these guys. I like this.
It's probably not gonna do much. So shout out to
Yeah,
Bumbo
yeah,
Clap.
Oh, the shell's good. I should probably get it. I have 8 of it.
Dude, what the heck is this, bro? I like the way that he just nosedived back in. Went.
Oh my, this is boring.
I wish you could put that radar on this.
They probably
Yeah, that'll
will
make
add
it
that
so much
soon.
That'll make it easier. Oh, got one. Ooh, that one's hard. Holy.
No,
This is
oh my
top.
god, bro. I don't want you.
Now it's gonna go.
Yeah, let's take a picture together. Let's take a picture together. Oh shoot. Ah!
Alright guys, I'd rewind the video a little bit. I mean, I'd forward the video a bit because it's about to be kind of loud.
What? Don't get near that! That's a bomb! It's not that loud. Here, guys, let's take a picture together. Guys, I got my frog camera ready.
Yeah, guys, come here. Okay, see me?
Yeah. Yep, it's see here. Let me just make. Oh, wait, are you able to see the frog cam? You just can't see the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, come here, Dude, come here. I'm taking a picture. Okay, go all that way. Come on. Okay, everybody squeeze in together. Dude, come on. Take a picture. Alright. Come on, come on. You stand right next to him. I'll stand on this side. Here, I'm going to get it connected. Okay, wait.
How many subscribers do you
Guys,
have?
hold your fishing
Put
rod
on-
up like
okay.
this.
Guys, stand together. Stand right next to each other.
Hold your fishing rod.
Why does it keep going? Okay.
Jeez,
Let
hold
me
your
see if
fishing
that's
rod
a
up.
good angle. I know. I'm gonna have to take the photo, so.
Are done? Done?
Okay, let me check the photo.
Alright.
Is it good? Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Can you show me?
Hey,
Text it to me.
Okay, that's it.
And I might be able to save it
I
and
wanna
I'm
get,
gonna upload it.
hey, I wanna get y'all's, headset. I wanna get y'all's headset.
I can't. I don't know you in real life. I'm not allowed to if I don't know you in real life.
Yeah,
First person default.
Can we add a meta quest? Can we add a meta quest?
I'll send it to you. I'll send it to you.
Oh, I just heard something growl.
That's sent to you.
Yep, I got it. Okay, guys, this is gonna be all for today. Stay tuned for tomorrow.